You've heard it before, low and slow, right? That's the rule when you're making pulled pork. This one you can make in the oven, and I've got a couple of tricks to make sure that it turns out really tender and falls apart when it comes right out of the oven. It also boosts the flavor. Trick number 1, brining the meat in a bath of salt, cinnamon, peppercorns, bay leaves, and water. The science here is that the salt solution allows water and flavor to soak into the fibers of the meat, and the salt begins to dissolve proteins. The results? Maximum deliciousness. For real! It's juicier, more tender, and flavorful oven pulled pork. Pump up the flavor even more, trick number 2. We're gonna combine brown sugar, cinnamon, salt, pepper, chipotle chili powder, cumin, and garlic powder in a bowl. Mix that up really well and set it aside while you remove the meat from the brine and pat it dry. I cut the twine off so that I could easily coat every nook and cranny with the dry rub. Then I rolled it back together to help it cook evenly. Cover the baking dish tightly with aluminum foil, a lid, or both, and in the oven it goes. Trick number 3, pair it with apple slaw. Combine mayo, Dijon mustard, sugar, and vinegar in a bowl. Pour it over a coleslaw blend and grated apples. Stir well to combine, cover, and store in the fridge until you're ready to eat. Check this out. When the pork comes out of the oven, the dry rub has turned into a flavorful crust on the outside. The brine has kept the meat juicy and fork tender. Now just pull all of the meat apart and discard the fatty pieces. Shred it as much as you'd like, and that's it. So this oven pulled pork, it's a little sweet, it's got a little bit of heat to it. In fact, you can add more heat if you want. Put a little bit of your favorite barbecue sauce on it, and combined with that apple slaw, so worth the wait. You can find this recipe for oven pulled pork and apple slaw at homewithshay.com. Shay Ryan, ABC Action News.